West Virginia.
CQDX 267 Southwest Illinois Mobile, standing by.
Alright, 681 out there in the morning.
406 North Carolina, 549er Cincinnati.
985 Keystone.
CQDX 267 Southwest Illinois Mobile, standing by.
Hey, Roger, 834 Dingo High. You said I can't do it.
Hey, roger that. We appreciate the handshake. You have yourself a fireman out there, 549 Cincinnati. 4844 Maryland. This is 502, 577, 549er Cincinnati.
502 in the Bluegrass 267 Southwest Illinois, waving a hand.
Southwest Illinois, man. This is 502 in Bluegrass. Come on.
502 267, waving a hand at you. You're sounding good. Hit me with this 9 solid on the meter here.
A bunch of stations in there.
Copy on you, man. This is 502 in Bluegrass. 73's to you.
73's back to you. You got Tim on this end. And I'm coming to you live right across from the Gateway Arch. 267 Southwest Illinois.
368, I believe that's you, John. Here's anyway, 73's 844 Maryland. 329 952 Keystone. Okay. Alright, thank you, sorry. 577 170 3 Ohio 157
CQDX 267 Southwest Illinois Mobile.
173 waving a big hand in Oval Travel. 322 Pennsylvania, listening.
322 Pennsylvania 267 Southwest Illinois, waving a hand.
What do you want for an MC-60?
Sounding good like always there, Roger.
Yeah, I got one of those coming in. Roger, okay. Yeah, you're definitely knocking them down here in the Keystone this evening. Good to be in there. I haven't been on for a while, and DX hasn't been very good.